Let's take a look at working with splines inside of Lightwave Modeler. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this statue here and let's give it some wings. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and work with this in the background by clicking on the next layer and then on the lower half putting it in the background. And I'm going to create some quick splines. There's a couple different tools. I can sketch out splines, use Bezier splines, but what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to go ahead and just use the point tool, and I'm just going to right click, right click, right click, and right click, and I'm going to hit Control P. Control P will make the spline. Let's zoom in and take a look. We've got the head of the spline. You can see this little diamond shape, and then the tail of the spline. And let's go ahead and make two more so we can make the wing. So I'm going to slide this back into the arm and grab the points tool, and let's do this. Let's start here. Just kind of gonna trace up the leg a little bit and select. I want these to be connected so that I can patch them together. So what I'm going to do is select that point as well, Control P, and there's the head of my spline and the tail. And when you want to patch these together, you want it to go head to tail, head, and then the next one, the tail, needs to be down here. So let's go ahead and in my side view, I'm just going to kind of tweak this a little bit, line it up to the body. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and add a few more points to make another spline. So just dropping some points down. Okay, and I'm going to deselect those and select these in order. And Control P. Now, if you notice, I've got a head here and a tail here, and I've got a head here and a tail here, and I need it to go tail to head on this last one. Well, it's easy. All I have to do is flip it. Just like you can flip a polygon, you can flip a spline. So what I'm going to do is hit F, and I flipped it. Now that I have those, I'm just going to tweak the points here. I want to get a neat curve going on this wing. So I'm just going to pull these back a little bit. Okay. And now I'm going to select all of them, go over to the Construct tab, and use Auto Patch. Let's just go ahead and set the number of rows. Let's set that to 6. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this newly created geometry so I can keep my splines. I can always go back and tweak those and repatch. But I'm going to paste in a new layer, hit the Tab key to turn on subpatches, and we've got our wing. It's only one-sided. Now I could make the polygons double-sided, but what I'd rather do is give some thickness. So I'm just going to use the Extrude tool, and now I've got some thickness to my wing. I'm going to go ahead and just move that a little bit. Okay, and there we go, working with splines inside of Lightwave.